Welcome to the Get Started video for the Singer M1250 sewing machine. Today we'll go over everything you need to know so you can get started sewing. To prepare, you'll need to wind your bobbin. Open your accessory compartment to retrieve your Singer Class 15 transparent bobbin. Raise the spool pin and place your thread on it. Next, follow along with the dotted lines on the top of your sewing machine. Bring your thread through the thread guide, around the tension disc, and then bring the thread tail through the hole in your bobbin. Place your bobbin on the bobbin winding spindle. Move the spindle to the right. And next, press the foot pedal gently to begin winding. Stop, trim the excess thread, and continue winding your bobbin. When you have enough thread on your bobbin, cut the thread, move the spindle to the left, and then remove your bobbin. Remove the bobbin cover, and place the bobbin in the bobbin holder, making sure the thread is coming off the left side of the bobbin in a counterclockwise position. As you bring your thread through the slot, hold your bobbin in place to give yourself a little bit of tension, and close the bobbin cover.